In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate page in Webflow. Quick tutorial. First, head to your Webflow account and open your list of sites. From there, go into your project dashboard and choose to open the site in the Webflow Designer. That loads the canvas where you can work directly on your pages. Once the designer is open, click anywhere on the blank area of the canvas, often labeled Body. This is a handy way to make sure nothing specific is selected before you continue. If you accidentally click an image or another element, don't worry, just click the body again to clear the selection. A couple of extra clicks here simply ensures you're working at the page level, not editing a specific component. Next, open the Navigator on the left side. This panel helps you see the full structure of the page you're about to copy, which is useful for confirming you're on the right page before you duplicate it. If you're planning to copy your homepage layout, make sure that page is currently loaded in the designer. Now, look for the page controls for the current page. Click the highlighted page options to open the small menu, then choose the duplicate option. Webflow will prompt you to name the copy. Type a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, something like Home Copy, or the actual purpose of this new page. When you're happy with the name, click Create to confirm. Webflow will generate the duplicate with all the same sections, elements, and classes as the original. After the copy is created, switch to the new page from your page list to verify everything looks right. If you need to compare with the original, go back to the home page and flip between the two. This is an easy way to confirm global elements like your navbar and footer are consistent, while page-specific content is ready for you to adjust. To sanity check navigation, click through your menu, such as the Reviews link, and make sure everything routes as expected. If you plan to replace content on the new page, it's best to update text and images first, then publish a staging version to preview before going live. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep page names descriptive for easy team collaboration. Avoid renaming classes on the duplicate unless you truly need a unique style. And remember that the URL slug should be unique, so search engines and users reach the correct page. That's it. Your page is now duplicated and ready to customize. Thanks for watching, and happy building.